A free open source alternative to Figma, guys. For those of you who already use Figma and are paying, you know how everything is becoming free thanks to AI. Well, this app comes to replace Figma. So check this out. It's called Penpot. It replaces Figma, which is $12 to $75 per month per user. So if you guys are into saving money on expensive or even non-expensive monthly subscriptions, follow me, because every day roughly I create these videos where I show you some free alternatives to paid software. It's like really high quality software. So Penpot is a browser-based open source Figma with a developer mode and a native CSS output, which saves teams 75 to 90% on designing tools. So what it is, Penpot is a browser-based design and prototyping tool built on Open Web Standards, SVG. It supports components, grids, prototyping, real-time collaboration, and a developer handoff mode that outputs native CSS, works in any browser, and is fully self-hostable. Now, what's the difference between Figma and Penpot? So obviously, we know Penpot is free because it's a GitHub open source, and it has dev mode, self-hostable. We said all of this. But Figma doesn't have proprietary file format. It doesn't have dev mode. You have to pay more for that. And data in Figma is cloud, and so you don't really own it. Now, key differences: Figma still leads on polish, plugin ecosystem, and community templates, but Penpot's CSS native approach is actually better for developer handoff. So you can actually modify this. If you download the GitHub, you can change it to make it to suit your needs. For solo builders or small teams, the cost savings are so big. Penpot is especially compelling post Figma Adobe merger concerns. And as you can see, we have more open source GitHub repos that we're going to be publishing about every day. Tomorrow's one is going to be about Salesforce, a GitHub repo that replaces Salesforce. Yes, you heard me right. So follow me so you don't miss. So even if you don't know what Salesforce is, or if you've never used it before, follow me so you can at least know where you can get a free alternative. Now, have a look at this video, which will demonstrate exactly what you can do with Penpot. So basically, from Figma to open source, open your eyes to Penpot. Look at the user interface, looks pretty amazing. Absolutely amazing. You got arrows. There are plugins as well. Self-hosted, collaboration, ownership, security, privacy, transparency. Open your eyes to open source, because that's the way forward. Helping each other to get things and save money. Design as code. Fantastic. So let's see some screenshots. Here we are, some screenshots. This is how it looks inside. To get started, you can just go to this GitHub, or you can type the word Penpot in GitHub into Google, and you will land right on this page. Right, see you in the next video, and tomorrow we're going to be looking at other GitHub repos that are going to save you more money. Save this video and see you in the next one.